Hi there, Hawk Robinson
John Welker,
Danielle Whitworth.
with RPG Research, RPG Therapeutics, and the RPG SUV, and the RPG trailer, and the RPG bus on our RPG tour. We're out here in the, I don't know, Oregon Badlands, whatever, I don't know. Or no, we're not in Nevada yet, are we?
No, we're in the Salt Flats in Oregon.
Yeah, but heading to Nevada, heading to Reno for the American Therapeutic Recreation Association 2019 annual national conference, doing an all-day workshop introducing and training on role-playing games in educational and therapeutic settings. Yeah, there we go. And we are in the middle of this is Highway 395, mile marker 55D. As you can see, it's
40 miles to the nearest gas station.
miles and miles either direction, about 45 miles either direction. It is miles and miles and miles and
we're
miles.
halfway in the middle of nowhere, literally.
Yep. Uh-oh. Okay, that was just a weird message. Anyway, we are not going to get till, or at least I'm not going to get to Reno till sometime early tomorrow morning probably. Hopefully you guys will get there and get some sleep. And we'll be setting up Friday at the Pepper Mill in Reno, Nevada. We'll be there September 13th really, because we'll be setting up through the 17th, and we hit the road back 18th, back to Spokane. So we didn't really
watching this video.
we didn't really get a video of us together, so
Yeah.
wanted to make sure we did that. And you know, it's the first time we've had the full fleet with the trailers on both and everything. Lots of prototypes. Someday, hopefully, fancier schmancier versions maybe. But how are you guys feeling? How are you holding up?
Doing great.
Good. Any last words before we bid adieu and get back on the road?
Hope to see you at ATRA if you're a professional.
Dream well.
Happy gaming.